Everything is fine, friends.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what we will do it now, just come inside that, just delete this test, otherwise it will give the problem. Okay, test class, by default, whenever we are creating the project, one test class is generating and that one only giving the problem. Okay, now right click, go in the Maven project, update the project. Yeah, our workspace is ready now, friends, right? Our workspace is ready now. So next, what we will do it now, let's write what is that, our security code. Shall we start that one, friends? Please respond.
Yes, Ravi.
What about others? The people is not responding at all.
Listening.
Okay, so now fine. So what we will do it now, let's write one controller first, right? Let's write one controller, right click, new, and I'll take one class. So here what I'm taking now, controller. Here what I'm taking, user controller, user rest controller. User rest controller. Let's finish. Normal, simple controller I'm writing, right?
Okay.
So here what I'm doing now, at the rate rest controller. At the rate rest controller. Inside that, let's take what is that? By default, what is that? One method, public string, so home, right? Home, so home. Return just what is that? Welcome to home page, right? Welcome to home page. Okay, fine. Make this one as a what is that, by default page. So what is that? At the rate get mapping I'm taking. Inside that, let's make this one as a by default page. So I'm taking that just slash only. Let's take one more method, right? If granted, if authenticated, then this page should show, right? So let's take what is that, inbox, right? Inbox page, right? Welcome to inbox page, right? Welcome to inbox page. Let's take one more, right? User page, right? I'm taking what is that, user page. Okay, so here what I'm doing now, user, right? User. So people are remember that principal memory, people. Hey, why the people are not responding? See, principal memory. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Why only one person is giving the response? What about others? People are listening or just what?
Listen.
Listening.
Okay. So here what is that? Just p dot what? Get name, right? Get name. I'm printing here itself only, right? So okay, fine now. So this is our what, controller class is ready now, friends. So now one more class we need to write. One more class we need to write. What is that class now? What is the class now? Configuration, security configuration class we need or not? Come on. So right click new, take what is that, security, right? Security, and let's take what is that, security config, right? Security config. So how we can make this class as a configuration class? At the rate configuration. And now we need to enable what is that, OAuth plus OAuth 2 plus what is that, SSO. So what is the notation? Enable enable OAuth to SSO, right? Come on. This one is enabling what is that? OAuth to security in our application. Now here, what is that? Extend web security configurer. Okay. Now previously, what is that? Who is the valid? Where from where we are storing the username and password?
In
Hmm?
memory.
In memory or database, right?
Yes, sir.
So that time we are using the simple authority or simple user details authority, right? So in this time we don't need. In this time, who's the validating? Cloud, right?
What?
Cloud
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but OAuth, right? OAuth. So here we need what is that? Alt Shift S plus VE. We need what is that? Just we don't need authentication manager. We need only what is that? HTTP security only,
HTTP security.
right? Okay, so fine now. So here what we will do it now. So first, what is that? Let's take what is that? Let's take what code we will take it now, friends. HTTP authorization request. HTTP authorization. HTTP authorization request, right? Authorization request dot, sorry, dot ant matcher, right? Ant matcher. Here what we need to give? Slash, right? Slash. And what is that? Another page is what? Another page what we specified that? Another inbox we specified, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Other we specified what is that? Inbox. Inbox or, yeah, inbox only, right? Inbox page. Inbox, no.
First home.
Hmm?
First home we will get na for permit all.
First home we will get. Okay, so what I'm thinking about that, let's increase one more page here itself only. Okay, inbox we need authenticated, right? We need what is that?
Yes, sir.
Authentication. So how we can design this application? Get name. I'm thinking about that, how I can design this one. Okay, so by default we will get what is that? Login page also, right? Login page. Sorry, another application make this one as what is that? Slash login. Because see, another application, whenever we are authenticating, right, we are getting what is that? Different server login page, na, that one only. So we need to give that permission, that page permission also, right? So here I'm giving what is that? All permission, right? I'm giving what is that? All permission. After then I'm giving what is that? Any request. Okay, after then if anything is there, just need what is that? Authenticated need, right? That's it, friends. Okay, that's it only. I'm not going to implement just simply in our application. I'm implementing what? I'm implementing OAuth concept. Okay, so the like page and all those things, I'm not doing anything here, right? Just we will test our application, like how we are implementing what? OAuth in our application only. So this one is ready now, friends, right? This one is ready now. Okay, so we need what is that? We need to put what is that? These details also in our application. In our application, what is the details? What is the details? What is the? We need to give what is that? Registration details, logging and profile data, right? So what we will do it now? Now I searched from the spring documentation only, this one also, friends, right? This one also. So what I'm doing now, this application property is there, na, just convert, because the property is too much big properties are there. If we write in the single line, na, then it will, let's convert in the YAML file. I'm converting this property in the YAML file, right? So I converted this one, and what I need to do, I copied these things from the internet only, friends. Okay, because no, I won't have that much brain to remember that one, right? So I copied that open this one, come in the resource. This is the YAML file is there na. Just copy this properties, copy same property for the Facebook authentication. Just put inside this one only, right? Just push. See, this one is the server port number, and these are the security OAuth details are there, right? I'll tell where we need to make the changes, right? Where we need to make the changes. Okay, so come here. This property I copied from the internet, and what is that? Our Spring documentation only, right? So here, what is that? Just we need to change what is that? Client ID, and what is that? Client secret code. And don't think about other things, friends. Okay, these are the related to our Facebook server and other things only, right? So
Okay.
what we will do it now? What we will do it now? Client ID is there now. Copy this. We already copied this client ID now. Which one we created? Which one we already created in the Facebook server? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Now paste it here.
Yes.
That client ID. And this is the secret code now.
Yes, Ravi.
Copy this secret code and paste it here. Okay. So both we pasted, and these things is related to our what is that? OAuth server. This one is our OAuth, our application will use these things. Okay, don't bother about this one. Okay, just this property I copied from the internet itself only, friends. Okay, this property, because we need to bother about these two key only. That's it. That's why I'm putting that. Where our what is that? We need to put what? Our application client ID and what? Secret code. That's it, right? So now our application is ready now, friends. Okay, our application is ready now. So what we need to do? Let's run our application. Let's run our application, and we will see that, right? So what is that? 9898 port number na. So I'm running our application. Right click, run it, a Spring Boot application. Yeah, user say password is generated. Okay, no issues, right? So now here what we will do it now? http :/localhost 9898, hit it.
Yes, sir.
See, welcome to home page we are getting now. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to home page we are getting, right? Welcome to home page we are getting. And I want to access what is that? I want to whenever I want what is that? Whenever I will click what is that? Login. Just see this. Login, right? Login is there now.
Yes,
See what we are getting now here. What we are getting now? Continue with Ravikant Radheshyam Tripathi means what? It's saying that my Facebook account, asking continue with what is that? Your Facebook account, right? Means what is that? It's authenticating our Facebook server, right? Come on. How?
Yes, sir.
Once we authenticated, then what we will get it now? Our application will continue with what is that? Which result now, friends? Now what we wrote inside this method, 1 minute. In the user, what is that? Welcome to, sorry. Okay, welcome to inbox page plus what is that? That here, what is that? Application ID will come, right? Application ID will come. Okay, so it will not show the name here. Internally some ID is generating our Facebook server, right? That one will come, but we need to change this one because this one is a little bit okay. So I'm stopping 1 minute. I'm taking this one as a user. Welcome to user, right? User. Okay, so user inbox, this one is fine. Okay, so fine. Now right click again, run. Let's run our application. Okay, I'm running this one. Okay, now our application is running. Okay, now make again http 9898. By default, what we will get it now?
Home page.
Welcome to home page we are getting now. Means what is that? This method is executing, friends, right? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So here inbox is there, right? Inbox is there. Whenever we will click here, what is slash inbox? See, when means other request must be authenticated, then we can get the services, right? So here, what is that? Continue with what is that? As a Ravikant, right? Ravikant Radheshyam Tripathi means what is that? It's asking my Facebook account. Just I'm giving, right? FB login. What is this? Okay, so what is the name of my profile, friends? See this, Ravikant Radheshyam, right?
Yes, sir.
Come on, and on this browser, what we are getting now? Continue as a Ravikant Radheshyam. Come on,
Username.
right? So once I click, right, once I'll click here, what I will get the result, what I will get the response, because we hit the inbox URL na? So
Yes, sir.
welcome to inbox, right? Welcome to inbox. Now I'm clicking that. What we are getting now?
Welcome to inbox, please.
Who's the authenticated now? Who is the
End
authenticated?
user.
Yes, so sorry. OAuth server is authenticated, right? Means what is that?
Yeah.
By taking that everything, secret key and all those things come in this explanation, right? First, what we need to do? First, we made the request. Whom? Just here, what is that? Our application. Now in this time, our application is there. Na? This is the application. Previously, we took the example of book my show application, but we develop our own controller. This is our own controller. What is the user rest controller, right?
Yes, sir.
So in that, what is that? Internally in the property, then what is that? It's asking whenever we are hitting that, what is that? Inbox URL. Our Facebook is giving, asking what is that? Asking the grant to end user or not. Come on, means what is that? Continue with Ravikant Radheshyam. What we are giving? We are giving the permission. Okay, no worries. You can use my Facebook account and take the grant, right? Take the grant. Means what is that? After taking the grant permission, inside that, what is that? How many things we are putting now come inside that property? Client ID and a secret ID and others details, right? Others clients details we are putting or not? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Means then by taking this one, what is that? Our application client ID, secret ID, and a user grant. It's going to what is that? Facebook server, and it's validating that this one is perfect. Means what is that? By taking that, sorry, it's already it's already generated, right? This one. Then what is that? It's validating this token, and then it's giving the access our what is that? End user resources, right? End user resources, and it's returning to our application, and our application is giving the response. Na, come on.
Yeah.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
right. So here, what is that? Okay, no worries. Here now, here open the Firefox also, right? So here, what is that? HTTP 9898 inbox. This is the another different browser na. So here, what is that? Welcome page. Okay, no worries. Okay, because already it's logged in. Na? So here, what is that? Make this one as what is that? User. Welcome to user page. Okay, why it's giving? I'll tell. Because yesterday our Facebook is logged in already. That's why. What I'm doing now, I'm logged out my Facebook account here. How we are logging out?
Last option. Computer.
Last one, Lagot.
Last.
Last
Down, down.
Last Lagot. Activity after
Activity
it.
log.
yeah,
Down.
yeah.
Next one.
Yeah. Okay, this account is logged out now. Okay, Now, okay. Now next after log out, right? What I'm doing now? Now refresh. Okay.
Login.
Copy this one. Close the browser. Open the browser. Paste it. And what we need to do? First hit this one. Welcome to home page /user. What it's asking now? Where it's redirecting? Facebook.
Facebook.
Give your Facebook credential here, right? Means what is that? In our explanation is itself only, right? See what it's asking: user login plus user permission. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
already I explained this one only. Na user grant means what's happening now here. What's happening is asking user grant, right? So once if I put my what is that username and password, then we are giving the grant to our like what our application. Na come on,
Yes.
is nothing but our client application. So okay, now login. Means see, we given the grant authority, then we are getting this. What is that? User, welcome to user plus this is the Facebook ID. My Facebook ID is generating because we took principal object. Now friends, come on.
Yes, sir.
So like this we are implementing what is that OAuth security in our application, friends, right? Like this we are implementing what is that OAuth security in our application. So people are satisfied with this content.
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there? Okay, friends. So now our OAuth is also completed. So last time where JWT is there, where?
Second, third.
Second,
Second
third.
and third.
Second, third.
Yeah, this one. No, second, third. Okay, this one only. Now what I'm doing now? Just open this one. Go inside that security config, right? So at the time of explaining what I said now, CRF is there now, friends. Come on, I said that later I will explain this CRF now. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Still
CSRF.
yeah, CSRF, right? CSRF. So total our Spring security is totally completed. And what is that? Just what is that, friends? Batch processing is left. Batch process, right? Batch process is left. Another one is what? Redis cache. Redis cache. Okay. Another one is what is that? That one only. That concept only left.
Yes. Sorry.
Yes.
SCRF and another one more concept is left.
बोला हुआ तूने ऐसे हवे में उड़ा दिया.
Hosting project in internet.
मैं तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ वो तो तूने हवे में उड़ा दिया. अरे इमली देख, इमली 4 बार बोला, जब भी बोला
इमली आपके पास है, इमली को क्या करोगे?
ए सौरभ,
चुप होना पड़ता है तेरे से, और तेरे को लगता नहीं है.
ए सौरभ, don't fight with your wife, man. Or please mute yourself, then fight. Saurabh, please mute yourself. Okay, so these 4 concept is left, friends. So what we will do next weekend we will continue, and every concept is a small concept, little bit. What is that? Batch processing and the Redis concept, Redis cache only little bit big, except that these things will take what 30 to 20 minutes only, right? So
Okay.
these concepts are left. We will continue in the next weekend, and we will complete these things in the next weekend, and after then we will start our what is that project and the DevOps, right?
Okay, Ravi.
So our
Okay.
See, boss, see, our mic, see, nothing I left, right? Whatever things I explained, except that in industry, no one is using extra thing in the project security related concept. So we spent near about good amount of time in the security. I took what is that from basics to higher level. Just assume that and think about that how I explained the things. Okay, and even I tried too much basic manner to understand the things and the security. I think the people is a little bit good if the people will do the practical in Spring Security. Sorry,
Yes.
microservices security, sorry, microservices security and Spring Security, both security I like explain in is microservices session only, friends. Okay, so these things is not even right. What is that? Not big things. Okay, Redis cache is important and batch processing is important, friends, right? And a CRS just 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, explanation is there. I'll show that. Okay, so the thing is only 1 week we need to complete this one. This topic just we will take what is that only 1 week, one Saturday, Sunday. Then our microservices will completely come. Our microservices completely complete. Right. So
Yes, sir.
right, so our enjoy don't wait for anything, friends. Just if anybody is planning to put what is that microservices, put in your resume and enjoy your life, right? Microservices is the heart kick off the market nowadays. If you know that microservices means your what is that priority only different in the project, right? So please learn this subject and